do you want to do an intro or do you want me to?
No, you can do it.
You want me to start?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, are you saying hi? I'm G. Like.
Yeah.
What do I say? No, I don't say anything.
I'm gonna introduce you.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest, Gianna. She is my model and we're gonna do a video on what to expect when you are getting homecoming makeup done. So Gianna will be going to her senior homecoming next month. So we're just gonna do a little like practice test run, but we're also going to point out things that you should expect when you're getting your makeup done or what goes on when you're getting your homecoming makeup done. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm. I didn't even know you were like a hairdresser. Your hands smell good. Oh my god, how do you do that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Really?
Oh my god, you could be a barista. If you tell me to do something, I just do the opposite.
Can you just stop talking and let me talk? Why are you curling your lips so much? Wait, first of all, are you wearing this?
Yeah.
Are you gonna wear this?
Yeah.
You're gonna wear this when you're getting your homecoming hair and makeup done.
Oh, well, no. I'm
What
gonna wear a zip up.
Alright, so when you are going to get your homecoming makeup or hair done, you should always be in either like a button up or a like zip up hoodie or something that you can actually like kind of like take off this way and like wiggle out of it. So what do you want to do with your makeup?
Something dark browns and like brown. You know,
Okay, so you want to do like all browns?
Yeah.
Okay. What does your dress look like?
it's black.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Black dress. So usually I ask my clients what their dress looks like. Not that it really matters because if you're wearing like a blue dress with green and yellow on it, you're not gonna want a blue and green and yellow eyeshadow look. So I always do something that's like more flattering on them. I will do something that complements the dress. So if they are in like a blue dress or like a navy dress, I think that like mauve-y, like brown pink colors are really pretty with navy, so like I'll kind of complement it like that. If they're in a yellow dress, I might do something that has like more of like deeper purple tones to complement that. So it doesn't really matter exactly what the dress looks like. It doesn't have to match the dress. It's something that's going to complement the dress. So we know that Gianna's dress is black, so we are going to do something that's complementing to black. Do you have any pictures or ideas of what you want done with your eye makeup?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we got like some dramatic gold, brown, burgundy kind of smoky eye in there. So we're just gonna go off of this picture. So it's a good idea to always bring pictures to show your makeup artist. That way your makeup artist does have something to go off of. And sometimes you might have an idea in your head, but the way that you explain it, your makeup artist isn't really like comprehending the same thing, or she might be thinking of something else. So come prepared, come with pictures, come with a lot of pictures. If it's a picture of eyeliner that you like, show that. If it's a picture of lipstick that you like, show that. If it's a picture of gold eyes, but you don't like how the eyeliner looks, that's fine. Show that. Show us what you don't want to. That always works out too. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's also a very good idea to already have your eyebrows waxed or plucked or trimmed before you come in, because sometimes when they are fuzzy, your makeup doesn't stick as well. But if you don't normally wax or pluck, that's fine. Leave it as it is.
And don't get them waxed the day before.
Because if you break out or have irritation or you're still red, I always suggest doing it the week before and then just pluck a couple random ones if you need to.
Ooh. The look's done. This is all the makeup is.
Once the eyebrows are on, the eyebrows are perfect. That's all you need. When I do my clients' makeup, I always start with eyes because a lot of times I'll get like really dark falling all on their face, and then I have to go in and like wipe all that off. So it could be black, it could be like glitter or sparkles, and I feel like if I do their face makeup first and then I go ahead and do that, I'm gonna mess up their face makeup. So I always start with the eyes and then clean everything off, and then I go around and do the face makeup. So we are gonna start with the eyes. So if I ever start with your eye makeup, don't think that I'm not gonna get to your face. I will get to your face. Everyone always thinks that.
Yeah.
They think that I'm not gonna do their face. I'm like, no, I'm gonna do it in a little bit. All right, so for the face, we are going in with, for the eyes. So for her eyes, we're going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Is this funny to you?
I don't see any browns over there.
There's every color in this palette. All right, so we're starting with the transition color, working that in there. We're gonna give her a nice bold eye. Go bold or go home. Let's give that tip.
If you make the picture that you want, like for your hair and makeup, just make it your lock screen, because if they keep saying like, can I see that one more time, then you don't have to keep going on your phone. Like, you can just click on your phone and it's the picture that you want, so you don't have to keep going back in.
So the picture's already on your lock screen, so all you do is just flash your phone and it's up there. Good tip.
Oh, damn. I think I look like Johnny Depp.
Normally, not even normally. I never let my clients look in the mirror as I'm doing their makeup because they look crazy. Like right now, she thinks she looks like Johnny Depp. So I just wait until like the final.
Because all this will be gone.
All this like stuff will be done. It just doesn't look together right now.
I really have that brush.
From Morphe?
It's definitely probably not the same one, but.
What?
Your stomach.
Should we order food now?
Probably. This kind of looks like Alina's makeup for her senior homecoming, remember?
No.
Bible.
You just want to be a Kardashian?
If you were to be any of them, which one would you want to be?
Kim.
Definitely not Courtney. I would be Rob, I think. Maybe Caitlyn too. Especially Rob.
It does look good.
I know.
I guess it's kind of far away, but she does have gold glitter under her eyes in here. Like if I smear it.
I thought you were gonna say like big pores or something. I was like, watch what you say.
She has huge pores.
Watch what you say.
Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of moisturizer and like clean up under her eyes.
Wait, what is this stuff you're putting on? What is like the moisturizer?
Aveda Botanical Kinetics Intense Hydrating Soft Cream. All that falling. And it's moisturizer. You're disgusting. Don't do that to your makeup artist. Alright, eyeliner. Wing or no wing? Wing or no wing? I always like to ask that because some people hate wings. Eyeliner.
And then if you get a wing and you're like, I just don't want a wing, then you have to take all that off.
So let your makeup artist know whether you want a thin line of eyeliner or if you like thicker eyeliner, if you want a little wing, a big wing. Talk to your makeup artist, let her know what you don't like. So you just like a thin line, right? I've done your makeup so many times, I just know. I just know what she wants.
You knew I wanted a wing too, right?
Open up. Alright, so you're going to hear me say that a million times just so I can see how the eyeliner looks. Open up. Open up. Open up. Wait, open up again. Another thing when you're getting eyeliner, try to relax. Some people get really nervous and then their eyes are like twitching the whole time.
I usually do that all the time.
But you were fine. You were really calm this time.
You know, also is a good reason why you don't do foundation, because then you have to grab my face. You know what I mean? To do everything up here, so then you don't.
Right.
You know what I mean?
You're right. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, because I am always like moving your face around, putting my hand on your cheek. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good tip. You're good.
How did you just whip this up?
I went in my kitchen and I made it for you. So I frothed it. I made you an iced latte.
She frothed it.
We are going in with the Ardell Wispies on Gianna, but we also have the individuals, which work really nice. So if you don't like the way that the strips feel, you can do individuals and they still give you the same look, but they're not as dramatic and they're not uncomfortable. Like you don't feel them at all. So what I have my clients do is I have them look down. Don't close your eye because your eyes will get stuck together, and I tell them not to look all the way up because the black glue can get on their eyeshadow, and we just did all that work on the eyeshadow. So I have them like kind of look down and find a focal point, and they keep their eyes like that.
It's very hard.
Yeah, so that's something to be prepared for when you are getting your makeup done for homecoming. Your eyes aren't closed, are they?
Yeah, they are. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, she's not even paying attention. You're allowed to blink. Now we're moving on to her face, so we're going to start priming her. And it's always a good thing to prime the skin. That way her pores are minimized and her makeup stays all night. So ladies, when you're getting your homecoming makeup done and your appointment might be really early at like 10:30, 11, or 12, it's gonna be fine. Your makeup's gonna stay all day. We're using professional makeup. Now we're going in with foundation and we're gonna blend this into her skin.
And I never blend my neck in, so whenever I wear like a long skirt.
Be careful when you're putting your dress on. You get no foundation on your dress because you probably will have foundation on your neck. But we want everything to be blended together. Okay. Foundation's on. We're gonna get into concealer. Look all
Your
around.
hands are freezing.
I know, they're so cold. That's another thing. Expect your makeup artist to have cold hands if she's constantly washing her hands in between clients. If you are breaking out or anything the week of homecoming, because I know we get so stressed out, don't worry, your makeup artist can take care of that. I'm gonna go on my damp beauty blender. Look all the way up. This part is really hard. Everyone tries to like lean back during this.
Is that what I was doing?
Yeah, a little bit. Everyone freaks out during this part. It's not that bad. Another thing, ladies, I know everyone's worried about looking tan, but don't worry, your foundation might be like a shade lighter, but once we start contouring and we have bronzer on you, you will definitely look tan. I have the TV on.
I just realized that too. Kardashian.
We are putting setting powder under the eyes where the concealer is, and this is going to make sure that your concealer doesn't crease during the day, and it's just going to set your concealer in place. Like I said, don't worry about your makeup not staying on, because trust me, it will stay on. It'll probably stay on until the next day, but you should wash your face at night. Ready to bronze you up?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we're going to do a little bit of blush. Ready for highlighter?
Yeah.
Alright, we're only going to do like a little bit because we don't want it to be too much.
Can it just be homecoming today?
We're ready for homecoming right now. Okay, look all the way up. I'm using eyeshadow as liner under the eye. Okay. Okay, seriously, look up. Okay. Okay, so what do you want to do for lip color?
Like nude. Yeah.
Like a pinky nude or like a brown nude?
Ooh. Brown nude.
Okay, we'll do brown nude.
We'll do it.
That's gonna be on film because we were talking.
Brown nude. It's the coffee.
Alright, we have to give a tip now about lipstick.
Yeah. Brush your teeth before you get your makeup done.
I always love like a pink.
Yeah, I don't like red.
No, I don't really like red either. Yeah, so for red lipstick, red does get really messy. Sometimes when you have it on your lip and your bottom lip curls, you'll start to have like a red line on your chin. But
And then you can always get it in your teeth.
and so that's why I tell people don't really go with red. But if you do want to wear red, that's fine. So what do you think?
I love it. I think I actually like want this color for. Ooh. I love it. This is what I want for homecoming this year. I look like Caitlyn Jenner.
Alright guys, so this was our video on what to expect for homecoming makeup. We talked about what not to wear, and what else did we talk about?
What to ask for, what to bring.
What to ask for, what to bring. Talk about what you don't want.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it, like it, and comment.
Bye guys.
Bye.
See ya.